Hi, so today I'm going to unbox the new running shoes that I recently bought. That is from the brand Brooks. So let's get started. So this is Brooks. This is how it looks. This is the Launch 5. So I can show you this one. So this is how it looks. This is the shoes. Cha-cha. Let me take out first. And this is the paper. Okay. Actually, I already take it and run. So yeah. Show you the details of the shoes. Launch 5. And here's the logo of the brand. It's written Launch 5 Brooks. And the inside is Brooks. Yeah. So basically the same. So yeah, that's it. This is a very quick unboxing about the new running shoes that I have bought. So I believe that now is the 7th generation. This is the 5th generation. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.